Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Nirja Education, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do it quickly. So today we are going to discuss addition and subtraction of fraction of your class 7th maths lesson number 2 fractions. So as we have studied, fraction can be of two types, like and unlike. So now let's see first how to add and subtract like fraction. Here I am going to take two like fraction. One is 15 upon 10, another one is 2 upon 10. Now let first add these two. If you want to add to like fraction, what you need to do is you need to add numerator of fraction first, which is 15 plus 2, and denominator you have to write as it is. Remember over here, you no need to add or subtract denominator. You have to place the denominator as it is as per the given in the fraction. Here it is given 10, so we are going to put 10. 15 plus 2 is 17 upon 10. If you want to subtract, same way you can subtract. Instead of addition, you need to perform subtraction. Now let's see another example. 2 by 10 and 1 by 10. If we want to subtract it, what we need to do is we are going to subtract the numerator and we are going to put denominator as it is. Here you no need to subtract denominator. 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 by 10. So this is very easy how to add and subtract like fraction. Now let's move towards unlike fraction. How to add and subtract unlike fraction. Here you need to follow two steps. First one is convert unlike fractions into like fraction, and this part we had discussed in the previous part of this chapter. So my dear students, if you have not seen that part yet, please go and go through that part, then only you can understand how to do first step. Our first step is convert unlike fraction into like fraction, and after converting, as we have seen how to add and subtract like fraction, then we are going to add or subtract. Now let's see by some examples. Now let's see how to add unlike fraction. As we have discussed, to add unlike fraction, first step we need to do is we need to convert into like fraction, then we can add. So let's see by one example. Here I have taken two unlike fraction, 4 upon 21 and 2 upon 7. What we need to do is addition. Let's start with our first step to convert this unlike fraction into like fraction. For that, we need to do is we need to find the LCM of denominators. Here our denominators are 21 and 7. So we are going to find the LCM of 21 and 7. Let's find the LCM. This both the number cannot be divisible by 2. Let's check for 3. 21 can be divisible by 3. Let's do 3 sevens are 21. The 7 remains as it is. Now both the number we can divide by 7. So LCM of this 2 is equal to 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21. That means now we have to do the denominator as 21 for both the number. For 4 upon 21, there is already denominator is as 21, so we are not going to do anything with this term, but here we need to do denominator as 21. We want denominator as 21. So by multiplying this 7 by 3, we can get 21. So we are going to multiply numerator and denominator both by 3. 2 3s are 6. So now we are having both the number as like fraction. First one is 4 upon 21 and another one is 6 upon 21. Now it is easy to add. Let's add 4 upon 21 plus 6 upon 21. How to add? We are going to add the numerators. 4 plus 6, and we need to place denominator as it is, that means 21. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10 upon 21. So my dear students, this way you can add or subtract any unlike fraction. If they have asked you to subtract, instead of this addition, we are going to perform subtraction. Now let's see another example of subtraction. subtract 8 minus 2 into 1 by 6. If you noticed, here both the numbers are not given in the form of improper fraction, but in the previous parts of this lesson we have studied that how to convert mixed fraction into improper, and that we are going to use over here. Now let's convert it first. Here this is 8 is given, 8 is a whole number. That means we can write this 8 as 8 upon 1. Let's pick another 2 into 1 upon 6. How to convert mixed fraction into improper? First we are going to multiply whole number with denominator, that means 2 multiplied by 6. Now we are going to add numerator to it and denominator will remain same. 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12 plus 1 upon 6. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13 upon 6. So here we got our two number as 8 upon 1 minus 13 upon 6. Now what we need to do? We need to convert this both the fraction into like fraction, and for that we are going to find the LCM of denominator. Here denominator is 1 and 6 and LCM of denominator will be 6. So here for this fraction already 6 is there. So no, we are not going to do anything with this, but here our denominator is 1. So we are going to convert denominator as 6. For that we can multiply 1 by 6, so that we are going to get denominator as 6, and we are multiplying denominator, that means we are going to multiply numerator also. 6 8s are 48. So now we are having both the number as like fraction. So let's do subtraction. 48 upon 6 minus 13 upon 6. What we need to do is we are going to subtract numerators 48 minus 13 and we are going to keep denominator same. Do 48 minus 13 and you will have your answer. So this way you are going to subtract any unlike fraction. Now let's see some other example of addition and subtraction of fraction, so that we will be more clear about it. Here we are going to perform subtraction of three different unlike fractions. First thing we need to do is we need to convert this given mixed fraction into improper fraction, and we all are knowing how to do. Let's do it. First one is 7 into 3 upon 14. 14 multiplied by 7 is equal to 98. 98 plus 3 is equal to 101. Denominator we are going to put as it is, minus 3 7s are 21 plus 2 23. 23 by 7 minus 1 2s are 2. 2 plus 1 3 by 2. Next thing we need to do is we need to find the LCM of denominator. That means we need to find LCM of 14, 7 and 2. And if we are going to find LCM of this three number, it is 14. Now next thing we are going to do is we need to do denominator as LCM. That means denominator as 14. So first term is already in this form. Let's pick another 23 upon 7. We want to get denominator as 14. So for that we can multiply 7 by 2. Numerator also 23 multiplied by 2 is equal to 46. Let's pick now this 3 by 2. To convert 2 into 14 we need to multiply it by 7. 3 7s are 21. So now we are having three terms as like fraction, 101 upon 14, 46 upon 14 and 21 upon 14. Now we all are knowing how to do subtraction. Let's do it. Minus 46 upon 14 minus 21 upon 14. What we are going to do is we are going to do subtraction of numerators. Denominator we are going to put as it is. Do the subtraction and then you will have your answer. So my dear friends, this is the way you can do the addition or subtraction of any fraction number. So today we are going to end our session over here, and I hope now you all are able to add and subtract like as well as unlike fractions. Thank you.